Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 11, The Speckled Bat. My name is Helen Stoner, she began, and then she told that her name was Helen Stoner. I lived with my stepfather, and she lived with her stepfather, Dr. Rallot. When he was in India, he married my mother, Mrs. Stoner, who was a young widow. Widow means person whose husband is dead. Then, and when Dr. Rallot was in India, he married with her mother, Mrs. Stoner, and she was a young widow. My twin sister Julia and I were only 2 years old at that time. And when her mother married Dr. Rallot, that time Julia and Helen Stoner, they both were twins, and that time they both were 2 years old. My mother had a considerable means much sum of money which she gave to my stepfather on condition that a certain annual sum should be given to each of us if we married. And she said that my mother had so much money and she gave that money to my stepfather, but with a condition that when we both will get married, he would give us a certain sum of money. My mother died in a railway accident soon after our return to England. And when we all returned to England, after that, my mother died in a railway accident. We lived with him at Stockmoran. Stockmoran, बच्चे, it is a name of a place, and they all lived with Dr. Rallot at Stockmoran. The money which was my mother had left was enough for us to live on, and the money which was left by her mother, that was enough means so much for them to live on. Dr. Rallot has a violent temper. Violent means uncontrolled. Temper means anger. And Dr. Rallot had a uncontrolled anger. People are terrified of it. Terrified means frightened. People were terrified of him. He has no friends except some wandering gypsies. Wandering gypsy mache, the person who move one place to other place and they without having any house. So he had no friend but some friends like the wandering gypsies. He allows them to camp on his land, and Dr. Rallot allowed that wandering gypsies to camp on his land. He has a friend who send him animals like cheetah and baboon. Baboon बच्चे African monkey. They wander freely over the ground, and Dr. Rallot's friend sent him animals like cheetah and the baboon, and the animal always move. Wander means move here and there freely over the ground. Julia and I led miserable lives. Miserable means unhappy. Julia and Helen Storer, they both were living unhappy lives. We we did all the housework as no servant stayed for a long in the house, and we both had to do all housework as no servant stay means lived for in our house for a long time. Julia was only 30 when she died 2 years ago, and she told that 2 years ago Julia died, and that time she was 30 years old. She was engaged to be married, but died a fortnight. Fortnight means 14 days before her wedding day, and she was engaged and she was going to marry. Okay, she was engaged. She was going to marry, but before her wedding days, 14 days of her wedding day, she died. Only one part of our house is inhabited. Inhabited means used for living. Only one part of our house is used for living. The bedrooms are on the ground floor, and the ground floor there were bedrooms. One night, Julia asked me if I had ever heard anyone whistle in the middle of the night. Middle of the night means timing between the 12 to 4 a.m. Okay, so one day Julia asked Helen Stoner that Had she ever heard any whistle between the 12 to 4 a.m.? I said no, and Helen said no. We thought it must have been the gypsies, and they thought that it showed that they are gypsies. They were gypsies. We always locked our bedrooms at night, and at night time we locked our bedroom doors. We were afraid of the cheetah and baboon because we were afraid of cheetah and baboon. That particular night, it means on that night when she died, was a wild and stormy one. That night was a very wild, very dark and stormy, means winds were blowing very strong. I could not go to sleep, so I was unable to see. Suddenly, I heard my sister scream. Scream means shout. And then suddenly, I heard means listen. I heard my sister shout. I rushed out into the corridor. Rushed means ran away. And then Helen Stoner, she rushed into the corridor. I heard a whistle. At the same time, my sister ran out of her room, shrinking means screaming, shouting. Okay. And then Helen Stoner, she heard a whistle, and when she heard a whistle, same time, her sister Julian Steiner, she ran out of her room and screaming, "Oh God, Helen! It was the pan." She fell to the ground unconscious. Unconscious में बच्चे unable to feel or think. And her Julius said to Helen Stoner that, "Oh God, Helen, that was a band." And then she fell to the ground unconscious. There was an inquiry. Inquiry means that check by the police. There was an inquiry after her death. They could not find out what the cause of death, and the police was unable to find out the reason of her death. There was no marks on her body, and there were no any mark on her body. I think she died of fear and shock. And Helen thought that the Julia was dead of fear of shock. But I cannot imagine what frightened her. But Helen Stoner, she could not imagine what frightened her.